EdPuzzle is really great. So the way to start is by adding a class. So if you have Math Section 1, Math Section 2, you'd have two different classes. You're going to get a class code once you've created the class. Remember that code or copy and paste that code because that's the code your kiddos are going to need to be able to get into the class. Then you're going to go over to My Content. This is where you create the videos with the questions in them. So you'll click on Create New Video. And what you'll notice is that you have a lot of different options that you can choose from. YouTube, Khan Academy, that sort of thing. You could search for videos, or you can even paste the URL from the video if you have that. For our purposes, of course, we're going to be looking at a cat video. I'm going to click Use It. And this is the video that I have chosen. You'll notice down towards the bottom of the screen you have two red bars. Those kind of allow you to trim the video to exactly what you need to use. So if you only want 30 seconds, or if you want 2 minutes, or if you want to watch the whole thing, you can. You can also add audio track, which is kind of like if the video is going on and you just want to have kind of comments like this voiceover, for instance. Audio notes are a little bit different because they allow you to stop the video and have kind of a comment. Quizzes are going to be where you have questions, text, that sort of thing. You'll drag the little green question mark to the point where you want to stop the video, and here's where you're going to ask your question. Open-ended questions are an option, and that'll allow the student to type in as much as they want to. Click Save when you're done and Continue. That'll continue with the video. Then you can drag that green question mark along further, hit the question mark, and now you can add a multiple choice question. You'll type your question, and then below that you'll see that you have choices that you can type in. So you can put in as many choices as you want. It'll be like A, B, C, and D. And you can actually say which one's the right one by changing the check mark and the red X. And again, you can add as many answers as you want. Be sure and always hit save. So scroll down, make sure you scroll down and hit that save button because that'll actually save the question for you. It'll give you a sample and then you say continue. I would save frequently, but once you're finished, hit the finish button, and this is where you can actually assign it to a class. So if you have multiple sections, you can actually assign it to multiple classes and you can send it. You can also hit the later button if you want to save it for later. And then it shows up in your class, and that's pretty much how it goes. Thanks.